Hi, is it Razia? I hope maybe I'm not pronouncing it right. I apologize. So I was looking at your project, and you've really put a lot of deliberate thought into this project. So I was looking at your steps here, and it's very helpful to kind of go through what you did and when I looked at the final tick, I finally found it. It would be helpful. You probably should have sent that TikTok link. Had to really search for that. And so you posted the TikTok link. One post, as I understand it, you got feedback and its interaction, which is quite a bit of interaction. And you've got the content areas there, if I understand. So it's kind of a one slideshow track engagement for 3 days. And so I thought that was interesting, and then the resources as well. I particularly like and it's a little hard that when I was looking at the project overview, the details, and then how you thought about that. So you've put a lot of thought into this. And the actual tools used, I'm assuming, let me just look at your self-assessment here. There it is. Probably not extensive, right? But you have a reasonably good self-reflection here. And so you use Canva and then Chat GPT, and then Canva's AI visual generator, which makes sense to me as the two tools that you would use. I mean, there's probably others, but it looks like you tried a few other ones, but you decided to do your own slideshow. So this is a pretty interesting project. I thought it was, and so I agree with you. You're at least an A minus in this, maybe a little higher, uh, and I would encourage you, perhaps in your self-evaluation in the future. It's a good self-evaluation, but you're going to be doing this for your final grade. You probably use a bullet points because or point form because each bullet is a point, right? And it makes a strong argument. That's just a tip. But you might want to have a little bit more depth. I see you use it for brainstorming, but I don't know exactly how you to do that. And then um, refining captions. What was the process? Drafting the educational text in accessible language. Again, it would be good to see a sample of that prompt or whatever. However, that's just opportunities to kind of know. This is probably something where you could have walked through it with a video and really given me a good explanation. But overall, I think it's impressive, and I think that's it's an A minus to an A.